Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with the gruesome story of a Clarendon teenager who was attacked and stabbed through the neck. It's a miracle she survived the ordeal. The attack on the 16-year-old girl from Maypen happened at her home on Tuesday. But while she has survived so far, her condition is such that she is now in dire need of blood. Cody and Barrett has her story.
Shattered glass and blood everywhere is what one mother saw when she arrived at this house in Maypen, Clarendon. It's understood that the teen lives with her father and was home alone around 1 p.m. when a man known to her came to the house and engaged her in a conversation before attempting to strangle her. He then broke a glass table and used a piece to stab her in the side of her neck.
Hey, tell me if them don't have a mother and then don't have a father. Where them come from? No, belly pain them come from down here. If you do like a thing like that to her. And she don't do them nothing. He don't give them no arm. And a boy them when me a hear say, me feed. Me give them me food for eat and then drink and then see him and want cut her throat.
Before fleeing, he also took a TV that was in the house. The teen managed to walk to the main road seeking help when a man driving a motorbike assisted her to hospital.
And then Michelle said, come and see her. I said, don't talk, just keep still. And he said, no help. And the guy said, I call ambulance to come pick her up. And none of them don't come. Them don't come. So I want to know like this. How is an accident happen like this in Jamaica? And nobody don't come. Then if the guy never come, how we manage him is that dead girl over here?
Her mother says when she was called to the Maypen hospital, the sight of her daughter was unbearable.
So when we see her on the stretcher, I have to move because I don't know if a knife or a buckle because I feel frustrated and I cannot look on her.
She's also in need of blood. Ms. Winter is appealing to those who can donate to contact 876-417-6967. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.
And we have an update on the injured teen. The glass was removed and she was transferred to another healthcare facility.